Want this edit?
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly.
Open Filmora 14 and import your selected anime videos. Drag and drop all your selected anime videos. Your goal on this step is to mute all the video clips first. Export the video, then go back to the main menu of Filmora. Go and find Auto Beat Sync. Then import the video that you just exported. Next, change the music.
They call me a god.
You are free to select where the music will start. You may also change the beat cut to fast or slow. You can also add video effects, but we'll do that later. You may now click Analyze and wait for a few moments.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got it filled up out of my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments.
Let's try fast beat cut and add some video effects.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got filled up visions. In my thoughts obsession, I will not stop, I'll never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters up the hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments.
Once done, you may now export this to your timeline. You may add more effects here. Shakes are highly suggested.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
In my thoughts obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing.
They call me a god. They call me a god.
Export your new AMV edit and enjoy.